What's up, y'all? Today we about to do a blackout tail light tint on my 2020 Dodge Daytona Charger. It's called NDRUSH, and I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the bio. And it comes with a smooth scraper. It comes with these, and it tells you like passenger, trunk, driver trunk. It's already cut out. Driver fender, passenger fender. It comes with a cloth. So you gotta wipe it, of course, down with alcohol, 70% alcohol. And then just start placing them on this part. This is the before. So right now we're gonna start with the driver fender. All you gotta do is pull off pre-cuts. Easy install. Line it up. And also it says you can use a blow dryer or heating gun to make it super solid to stay on.
From the whole type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in fire. Big bang, take little bang. Big bang, take little bang.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. Everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we
Smooth out all the bubbles, tint bubbles. You don't want no bubbles, man.
And got an overhang here, so you just roll it in. I might have to cut it.
yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 points, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Big bang, take little bang. Big bang, take little bang. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bang. From the whole type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in fire. Big bang, take little bang. Big bang, take little bang.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shakedown.
Alright guys, on these, you kinda gotta...
Point of view, POV.
Oh shit. On these you kinda gotta like, you can drag it out this way a little further. We don't have so much overhang. Cause on the guys from where I learned from,
Speed, POV.
yeah. What I learned from the other side on this NDRUSH tint from she got from Amazon. When you putting it on, kind of like go out a little further this way, cause it'll have an overhang, and you had to end up cutting it off with like a razor blade, which you had to do on the passenger side. So kind of like when you placing it, you don't have to be dead on, but make sure you cover up the clear and kind of just push it out this way or push it out further this way so where you won't have so much overhang. But it still is a little bit, so I'll probably like trim that off and we should be good.
So this is the passenger side. Less overhang. And this is the driver's side, which had overhang in the middle.
Good morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Two bitches. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mattress was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit.
With the ode.
Space with the stars. Might smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. Young rich niggas, we successful. Say she wanna feel special. That Coco make her feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. She pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I met the bitch at Coachella. If she knew Teller, she probably do better. But can I get an E for effort? E. I pray to God to wash my sins. God performed against me, not a weapon. No weapon. Asking where do I begin? Where? Devil trying to take my blessings. They don't know the meaning of the white. You don't really live this life. No. Niggas in the hood shoot twice. Said my niggas in the hood shoot precise. Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't even ask cause they know what's the price. Ain't gotta snow, they already know it's right. I talk to God cause I been baptized. I got mob tied to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on a nigga straight slime. They gon' make the north side high crime. Then I hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping dimes. Fucking on a friend, I'ma break her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Two bitches. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mattress was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. At the watch, I can't waste time. Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Two bitches. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mattress was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid.